Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. The name is Fah-Eza. Today we are making stir-fried indomie, and for this recipe you will need 2 packs of 70 grams of indomie, and you need 1 medium-sized onions chopped. You also need 1 grated carrot, spring onions chopped, powdered pepper, and these are the spices found in indomie. Put your water on fire, let it reach the boiling point, and add in your indomie. Now the trick to cooking this indomie is you make sure you boil it halfway. Make sure it's still hard to touch by the time you drain it, because when you stir frying it, it still gets cooked. So you don't want it to get cooked over here and then you stir fry it. It will become very soft and sticky and gooey and all of that. If you want it that way, fine, but if you don't want it that way, the best option is to cook it halfway, make it hard to touch, and then you strain. Now over here I am straining the water, but there's also another thing I do when I'm straining. I make sure I pour out the indomie and leave a little bit of water at the bottom, very little, not too much, and I add in the spices. Now the reason I do this is, unlike how others would stir fry the vegetables and then later add in the indomie and add the spices, I find that when I do that I don't get an even distribution of the spices. Sometimes you take a bite somewhere and there are basically no spices there. You take a bite somewhere else and it's chock full of spices. So I mix it all here whilst there's just a little bit of liquid at the bottom and helps it mix all together. You get my point? Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I just enjoy using sunflower oil. Wait till the oil is hot. Make sure it's hot enough to fry the onions before adding in the onions, but not too hot that it will brown right after you add it in. So here I'm mixing the onions, I'm frying it and I'm leaving it some time to cook, and then I add in my spring onions, I add in my carrots, and I stir fry all of them. I also make sure I don't stir fry it for so long that it becomes too soft. Okay, I still need a little bit of crunch in there. Okay, you want to stir fry it and all, bring out some of the amazing juices from it, but you also don't want to make it so that it becomes too soft that you can't even hear that when you're chewing it, Okay, so this is the stage where I now ask you to please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, I have more videos for you. I promise, if you subscribe, I promise on my honor to actually make you constantly hungry, constantly, with amazing cooking videos, talk videos, and all of that. And this time, I'm here all through, like 3 times a week and everything. I'm going full on with a lot of videos, and I pray I don't ever disappoint you guys. I give you the best possible videos ever. Okay, all right, now add in your indomie and continue to stir fry. Mix it all together. This thing is really looking nice. I think the color of the carrot with the spring onions and everything is making it really nice. Interesting. Okay, so you mix it all together. Oh Lord, I got lost. Mix it all together, you give it time to fry, and then you serve. Now look at this indomie. I have carbs here, I have vegetables here, and I'm going to be adding in egg and then sausage. Okay, it's all set. Your indomie is done, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these, and bye. Thank you so much, guys.